హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా? మేమైతే చాలా బాగున్నాము. ఈరోజు వీడియో ఏంటంటే మా పాప తన కల్చర్ అనే సబ్జెక్ట్లో నేచర్ వాక్ గురించి ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇచ్చారండి. అలాగే వర్క్షీట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. వీళ్ళు నేచర్ వాక్ చేస్తూ వాళ్ళు ఏమేమి అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు, ఏం చూశారు, ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు అనే వాటి గురించి ఆ వర్క్షీట్లో ఫిల్అప్ చేయాలి. మా పాప అయితే నేచర్ వాక్ చేస్తూ తను ఏం ఫీల్ అయింది, ఏమేమి చూసింది అనే వాటి గురించి, అలాగే ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది అనే వాటి గురించి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి. మీ కిడ్స్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళకు తప్పకుండా ఈ వీడియో అయితే చూపించండి, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి, మీ పిల్లలకైతే చూపించడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, మా పాప ఏం చెప్తుందో చూసేయండి.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇస్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఫైన్ ఇన్ దేర్ హౌసెస్? Be safe. So today I'm doing a nature walk, my nature walk, and it says now that summer has arrived, everyone is anxious to get out and enjoy the weather. It's a perfect time to go on a nature walk in your garden. On this nature study, you are going to investigate and observe the world around you. Have a look at the nature walk worksheet and observe the world around you. Have a look at the nature walk worksheets on the following pages and fill them in as you began your nature study today. Have fun and explore. Thank you.
Okay, tell about all the flowers.
And for my nature walk, my first worksheet I already done using my senses. For see, I said I saw a grasshopper. For hear, I said I hear birds chirping. And for smell, I said I smell leaves. And for touch, I touched flowers. And for taste, I taste mulberry fruit. And for the next page, I have my nature doodles. So I have to say what I saw, what I liked about it, and I have to draw that picture what I saw. I have to write the name of it and what I liked about it.
Okay, tell me about the flowers.
For the flowers, and I also have a worksheet of flowers. Wait. Sheet, it says flower ID sheet, and I have to say date, scene, type of bug, my observation. Flower, and I have to draw the flower in this picture, and I have to draw my observation here. If I want to write, I can write, but
Okay.
I have to draw.
Okay.
These flowers are purple flowers. They grow in glue plants.
Oh, this one is glue plants?
Yeah, these are glue plants. They grow in glue plants. In here, there's glue. It's sticky. And around me. And there's some sunflowers. I don't know if they're flowers. Yellow flowers.
They're daisies.
They're daisies, yellow daisies. And honeybees and bees come to get the nectar from them. The bees, and this is the plant rose. They are so pretty and they can grow colors in pink, red or yellow. There's so many kinds of flowers. And these are white daisies. Most bees come to take their nectar here. And here's a small bee. And these are also yellow daisies. Those are white daisies. Red flowers. And there are red flowers here. I don't know what their name, but these are red flowers. flowers. I call them red flowers. And here's an apple plant. It's still growing. And here's a big tree. I don't know if it's a weed. I don't know. And this is the purple flower that we saw before in the starting. This is also purple flowers. And these are pink flowers. And these are orange flowers. Nobody planted them, but they came by themselves. And I don't know what's this plant. These orange flowers came by themselves. I like the shade of them. And there's red here and orange at the ends. And look at these small yellow ones. Small yellow flowers. I don't know what's their name. This is a tree. They are yellow and green leaves. We play around here, and that's a big tree. It's a big tree, and we play around this and put rocks if we want. And there's lots of sticks around here. And there's rotten trees. Some of them are rotten. And there's birds. Birds like to stay there. Birds like to be in these trees. And look at these pears. Before there was pink flowers, I think they're called peach blossoms.
Peach blossoms.
Peach blossoms. Some of them are already done. There's lots of peaches. I think this is pear. Peach are here. I think this is pear plant. And there's lots of, I think the pear's already growing. I
It's
think
Goa.
it's guava. I mistakenly said pear. It's guava. These are marigolds. There are 4 of them. For each one, it's for our family. This is for my brother. This is for me. This is for my mom. This is for my dad. And my mom planted this because she found it somewhere at another house. And this one just grew by itself. It's pink flowers. These are white flowers. And these are roses that I showed you before. And this is mint. Mint. And here's another small rose. It's a small plant, it still have to grow. But this small rose, it was big, but a storm came and the flowers all came out and it's died. Okay, friends, that's ouch. This is my nature box. So, if you wanted to do this activity, you can just take a printout. And like please comment. What do you think about the video? There are so many papers. Let me tell you how many papers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 papers. after the nature walk, you can my nature doodles you can write anything you want that is amazing. And in the bug,
and it's fun to do.
and in bug ID set, you can do any bug you want that's interesting. You have to write the date when you seen it, type of bug, and my observation. You have to write it down here. And there, leaf flower ID set. You have to draw the flower, type of flower, date you seen it, type of bug what it was on, and my observation. And leaf ID set. You have to draw the kind of leaf. You can draw any leaf. And date you seen, you have to write type of bug it was on. You can write ladybug and my observation. That's all. So you also do my nature walk using my senses. There are 5 senses. See, hear, smell, touch, taste. You have to write the things you see, the things you hear, the things you smell, the things you touch, the things you taste. You can write how many you want, but it have to be full of this box. It should not be full of this box. You don't have to fill up the box, but you can write in the box. If you want to draw, you can. So I write for see, I saw a grasshopper. For hear, I hear birds chirping. For smell, I smell leaves. For touch, I touch flowers. For taste, I taste mulberry fruit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. If you like my mom's videos, just like, share, subscribe, and comment this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.